In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit portraits in Lightroom Classic. Editing portraits to enhance their natural beauty can seem daunting, but with a few simple adjustments, you can create stunning results. We'll begin by diving into the Develop module's basic panel. This is where you start your journey toward refining your image. Begin with setting a pleasing exposure. You want to ensure that your image is neither too dark nor too bright. This forms the foundation of your portrait editing, allowing your image to shine through in all its natural beauty. Next, let's adjust the contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks. These tonal adjustments help you achieve a balanced and dynamic range, ensuring that your portrait has depth and dimension. The key here is subtlety. Your goal is to enhance the image, not overshadow the natural characteristics of the subject. The next step is correcting the white balance. It's crucial for achieving natural-looking skin tones. Use the eyedropper tool to pick a neutral area in the photograph, or you can manually adjust the temperature and tint sliders to your liking. The aim is to have skin tones that appear as accurate to life as possible, making the subject look their best. Now, let's refine the color and tone with more granularity. Head over to the HSL color panel. This is where you can adjust individual colors, focusing particularly on skin tones, which typically involve the oranges and reds. This fine-tuning ensures that your subject's skin appears natural and flattering, disallowing any overwhelming saturation or dullness. For further shaping of the photograph, we turn our attention to the tone curve. This tool allows for subtle contrast tweaks and helps to shape the overall look of your image. A gentle S-curve is often an effective technique, providing a nice balance of highlights and shadows that enhances the portrait. Now, we're ready to move on to skin retouching and object removal. These final touches can significantly elevate your portrait. The spot removal tool, accessible with the shortcut Q, is great for removing blemishes, stray hairs, or unwanted spots on the photograph. When using this tool, you can choose between Heal for a more blended correction or Clone should you need an exact copy from another part of the picture. Lastly, we bring out the masks from the masking panel to smooth the skin selectively. Use the Select Subject feature to isolate your subject quickly, then gently reduce texture and clarity to soften skin, while ensuring features like the eyes and hair remain sharp. This selective approach keeps the important details crisp and eye-catching, while giving the skin a smooth, appealing finish. By following these steps, you'll be able to create portraits with a professional polish, enhancing the natural beauty and essence of your subject. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing!